Hello everyone, you are watching Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. Today we can discuss Modulo programming in Spring Boot. How to implement Modulo programming in Spring Boot, we can discuss today. First, you can create the Spring Boot project. Go to Others, select Spring Boot, click Next. Here we need to write Modulo program, Modulo program. Click Next. Lambda expression and Spring Web. Click next, sorry, click finish. Now we can project keys loading. Modulo is there here. Modulo program already implemented. Now we can click here. Then check application is yes, application is created. Now we can right click this one. You can create first create more modulo model. First, you can create modular model. This one is model. Click finish. Here we need to write at getter method. We need to write setter method. We need to write no argument constructor. We need to write all argument constructor. Private string first value. Private string second value. Private string result. These three variables now module is created. Now we can create service. Here modulo service. Modulo service. Here we can write create separate method service method. Service method. This is service method. Click finish. Here we need to write abstract method public modulo public module. Okay, I created module method. Sorry, this one not modulo method. Create modulo method. Return type here modulo two variables. Need to write modulo. No, need to write modulo. I created one abstract method. Here we need to create another class, implementation class, modulo implementation class. Here we need to implement modulo service. Here implemented modulo service. Here we need to implement modulo method. Inside modulo method, we need to implement this one. Now we can write the int first value equal to integer dot pass int modulo dot get first value. Similarly, we can write second value integer dot pass int modulo dot get second value. We to write result yes is equal to first value percentage second value. Need to return the value new modulo dot get first value modulo dot get second value. Need to convert string to integer value of arrays. Need to convert string to integer. Now service layer also completed. This is a modulo. We created 3 parameters. We need to write, no need to write any separate data. Means we are using Lambda expression. That's why I'm here. We need to create one interface, modulo interface. Yeah, return type is. Then we created the modulo method. Yeah, return type is modulo. We are implemented and we are returning. We are converting integers and modulo the two values, and again we are set values into the modulo object. Now create the control class. We'll refresh this one. Create the control class. Now we can create one more class, that is control class. Modulo controller. Here we need to write dot controller. Dot controller. At rest controller, at rest controller, at request mapping. Sorry, Modulo API. Here we need to write auto while we need to inject. We need to inject now private modulo service. Modulo service. Service. What post mapping? Post mapping. Here, double quotations modulo. Need to write forward slash. Now we can write public rest sorry, response entity modulo variables. Here we need to write request body modulo new response entity. Here we can write am service dot one. We need to write modulo comma https status dot created. Now done. Now application is completed. You can check here in service layer. We need to write our service annotation. This is identifying the service class. What is the example here? Why here we need to load two variables. I think the method is the problem there. Change method. Oh. Continue here only, not below. Here it is implemented here, modulo here implemented here, implemented modulo. Now it's okay. Now it's okay. Now all issues are, everything is done. You can check any server is running, nothing server is not running anywhere. Now we can run this application and we can check before we can refresh this one. Then we can run this. The server is starting or not started. Yes, server is started. Now you can check this one. You can check here values is getting success or not. Modulo, same, we can use same value. Click the one send method. And check you're getting any. Yes. See, modulo is 3. I will change to 8. I will change to 8. Then run. Yes, 7. I will change here 20. I will change to 5. Now we can check what is the output of this one. No modulo is 3. This way we can implement the modulo programming in Spring Boot. Spring Boot is very simple application. Very simple and very easy application. Spring Boot, servlets, JSPs, EJPs. EJPs I will tell future. Very simple application. That's why this way we can implement and we can do the applications. If you need more information about Java technology, Hypernet, PHP, uh, Python, Android application development, you need any application, you need any Android application, could you please comment it below comment in box. Thank you for watching Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. Could you please support, like, support, subscribe my channel. We will meet next video.